Marvin says Jamaica already has talented people ready to work and build the country's future. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more on Sonic Snap.
I am here at the University of Technology. Behind me is the Faculty of Engineering and Computing. This is the faculty that is responsible for engineers that UTech produces every year. We have hundreds of engineers, that leave this particular campus in Jamaica, University of Technology. Big up on yourself to all the staff members of UTech. I am here because we have a problem. The Prime Minister of Jamaica wants to import talent to Jamaica to help with the new construction that they're doing across the country, new infrastructure there. The Prime Minister wants to convince Jamaicans that we do not have enough professionals in our country to do the job in our country. We're sick and tired of the blatant disregard for the talents that are here locally. There are enough engineers, contractors, and all kinds of people that the country needs in order to get the jobs done. Give them the job and don't tell us that you're importing engineers and you're importing professionals from overseas. So what's the purpose of this faculty? What's the purpose of the schools and the universities that we have in Jamaica? What's the purpose of you and Bobby Montague and Andrew Wheatley and all the people in your administration that is building the what do you call it? The science and technology and engineering schools and all kind of stuff. Why you trying to make us feel like you actually want product out of Jamaica to use in Jamaica? And the same talents that you refuse to use that are in Jamaica, that UTech and UWI and NCU and all the other universities and schools in Jamaica produces per year. Those same talents, America, China and other countries take them out of the country and buy them. Did you know that in 2010, 5 young men went from Northern Caribbean University to represent Jamaica at a computer fair overseas with over 120 countries, and those students from NCU were the top winners in a computer. You know who bought them? Microsoft bought 3. Microsoft bought 3 of them. Bill Gates, dirty Bill Gates, bought 3 of them because even Bill Gates could see the value in our own Jamaican produce. You don't see the value. And it is time for every single one in the parliament to lift up, because we have these students who have to sleep night and day. I study every single day, them get up every day. Some of them cannot even find lunch money to come to school to get themselves qualified. When they do get qualified, you as the Prime Minister of Jamaica should have been ashamed of your damn self to come and tell us the people that we don't have the talent in Jamaica, we don't have the professionals in the country to build the infrastructures. And what kind of infrastructure we not build when we don't have the talent for? Tell me which one you are going to build when we don't have the talent for. And why don't you have a system where, just like how China can take our teachers to teach for them people in China English, why don't you get a Chinese contractor or engineer come to Jamaica and teach some of our engineers, although we don't really need them, because I believe that our lecturers who are here, they are more than capable to give the Jamaican students that are here the information that they need to be the best of the flipping best. You and Jamaican Wellness and every single one of you in that parliament, you're going to start respect Jamaicans. You hear me tell you, you're going to start respect Jamaicans. You need to either respect us or leave this damn country alone. Leave the country alone. No criminals are coming here. We do not need no more professionals here. Jamaicans need jobs. Jamaicans have enough people here to do what needs to be done. So tell us what you want to do and we will provide the talent. That is all me have to say. Big up yourself.